Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to walk. So first, you need to get to a walking position like this. After that, pick up one of your feet, like this. Then move it forward so it's pointing up. Then fall forward, but let your foot catch you. Now, you're in the same position except on your right foot. So if you repeat that, you can travel. I'm going places. Now, you can also do what's called a run, where you go like this. You can do a jog, which is like this. There's many types of movement you can do, but most commonly, walking is just moving your feet out and then transferring your weight onto the new foot. You can walk in many different ways, as you can see here. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.